How to organize your closet. Keeping your closet organized is a great way to keep your clothing in order. It will also help you keep track of your items, so you don't forget about something you need. To organize your closet, try to store items in categories based on their functions or color. Sort your clothes by function or color. Organizing your clothes by function or color has a few benefits. First, it allows you to easily locate matching items. Second, it reduces sifting time. Third, it makes shopping easier. Finally, it helps to save space. There are a few different ways to organize your clothes by function or color. Some people group all of the colors in one area. Others sort them by category. Organizing by color allows you to get creative. Master organizer Jill Viglione recommends arranging your clothes in rainbow order. This includes black, white, blue, red, and green. You can go a step further and use the ROYGBV acronym to indicate how you are going to arrange your clothes. The rainbow order is a neat way to display your favorite pieces. Sorting your clothes by color also makes shopping easier. If you have a lot of clothes, you can even purchase separate storage options. Organizing your closet by color isn't a difficult task. You can do it with a little thought and a little time. It will pay off in the long run. If you are short on space, consider a closet organizer. You can buy custom shelving or cubbies to help you organize your clothes. You can also purchase clear plastic bins. Arranging your closet by color also means you can organize your shoes by color. You can store winter clothes in a blue bin and summer clothes in a white bin. You may also want to get a white bin to store your blazers. The color coding trick is a small but clever trick. It allows you to visualize your closet contents and identify your needs. Taking the time to organize your closet by color can reduce the clutter and save you time in the morning. Create a shelf divider system. Keeping your closet organized can help you keep your items in their right place and make your morning routine a breeze. A good closet organization system can make it easy to organize your clothes by type, size, and color. A DIY solution can help you save money, create more breathing space, and reduce clutter. A closet shelf divider is an easy way to organize your closet. This divider keeps your items organized and prevents them from getting mixed up. It is available in a variety of different styles and sizes. They are also easy to install. They can be used in your kitchen, closet, and even the pantry. You can find these dividers in the AZ Storage Solutions and Ideas section of the website. Organizing your closet will also allow you to use the space more efficiently. You can designate half of the closet for casual clothes, and the other half for formal clothes. You can also group like items together. If you have a lot of lawn items, you should hang them high enough to keep them from dragging on the floor. A shelf divider will also keep your items from falling over. If your closet has no shelves, you should divide it up by type of clothing. You can also use the space between the floor and the garment rack for storage baskets. Another great way to organize your closet is by using a shoe rack. These are available in different configurations and can be used on the floor, on a wall, or in a closet. You can also designate a drawer for shoes in your closet. This will allow you to store all types of shoes. Add a towel bar. Adding a towel bar to organize your closet can be a great way to get more storage for your towels. Depending on your needs, you can choose a simple bar or a more elaborate setup. The best part is, installing a towel bar will not take up much space. You can hang it underneath a cabinet or on a bare wall. If you have a small bathroom, you can install 2 towel bars in a vertical fashion. You can then hang baskets or bins below them for towels. This will not only save space, but it will also help keep your towels organized. You can also hang wire baskets on the towel bar to create more storage space above the toilet. You can also use the same concept to store other toiletries, such as hair products. These wire baskets can be wrapped in rope to create a functional towel storage system. You can also install a simple tension rod in your closet. Installing this basic system will allow you to create a functional storage solution in no time. If you want to go with a more modern look, choose black pipe brackets for the best results. You can also install a towel bar on the back of your cabinet door to help keep your towels organized. This can be a good solution for an open closet. You can also hang a basket on the bar to hold coffee cups and other items. This will help save space in your kitchen. You can also hang pots and pans from the bar for a more decorative look. You can also make a DIY scarf rack to keep your scarves in order. You can mount the rack on a bare wall in your closet or attach it to the back of the door. Declutter your clothes by category. Organizing your closet is a necessary step to keeping your clothing organized. However, it can be a difficult task to get started. Many experts recommend sorting clothing by category to make decluttering easier. Experts also suggest using a visual inventory to see if there are any areas of your closet that are overstuffed. This will help you determine whether items should be kept or donated. The next step is to decide how many items you want to keep. You can do this by setting a limit for each category. For example, you can decide to keep no more than 3 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of shoes, and 5 shirts. You can also create a checklist to make sure you are sorting the correct items. The goal of decluttering is to eliminate items that are not making you happy. For example, you may want to keep your favorite blouses, but you may have several other blouses that you don't wear. You can sort clothes into 4 piles: keep, donate, sell, or toss. The first pile consists of items you want to keep but aren't wearing anymore. You can also set aside some categories to sort later. You should also take the time to try on all of your items. Once you have tried on everything, you'll have a better idea of how to organize your closet. For example, you may want to store party dresses in a different area. Getting rid of clothing can be stressful. It's important to keep a positive attitude when decluttering your wardrobe. Keeping it organized can help you make better clothing choices and save you money. In addition, a clean, organized closet will make it easier to find your favorite items.